Invoice is a list of goods sent or services provided with a statement of the sum due for these. So today we will make an invoice in Excel. Let's begin. First of all, we type on the left side the company name, its complete address with zip code and contact number. After that, we write the salesman's name and the ID number that is allocated by the company. Now come to the right side. Here we type invoice. Capitalize all the words and bold them. We can also type invoice in bold letters on the top of it. It's the choice of companies where they want to adjust it. After that, we type the invoice number and date. Invoice numbers can vary in frequency, with some businesses opting to change them on a daily basis, while others choose a monthly renewal. The decision often depends on the operational needs and preferences of the company. At the conclusion of this section, we include the customer's name and delivery address for product shipment. However, if customers collect the products directly from the outlet, we create the same invoice but exclude this information. Transitioning to the primary section of the invoice, the layout typically begins with the serial number in the initial cell, facilitating product counting. Subsequently, the product name and its corresponding article number are recorded. Following this, a column for quantity is established in the subsequent cell, accompanied by the unit price and total amount for each item. As you know, every product has its own article number. So when we type the article number, the price of that particular product and its name automatically comes to the other cells. To accomplish this task, Excel formulas are essential. Utilizing Excel's built-in functions and formulas makes work easy. In this setup, we employ the IFERR formula alongside Lookup to streamline the process of retrieving product names and rates. Let's start the formula in the product column. In the first cell, we put the formula. As usual, start with an equal sign. Type the if error, then press the tab button, then use another formula, but now it's not a separate formula. Here we use it as a value. So type V lookup, then again, press the tab button. Now we need to put the lookup value, so click on first cell of a column of article number, comma, and now select the table array. We have it on another sheet, so we go there. Automatically reference of another sheet is present in the formula. No need to put it. Now select the table array. Here we have then, again, comma. Use the $sign to freeze this range. Then column index number, which is 2 in this table. So type 2. Then we need the exact match, so we click on false, close the bracket. It's the first argument of the if error formula. Put the comma and use inverted commas if you do not type any other product there. Close the bracket and press enter. See, when we type the article number, the product name came automatically. Copy this formula to all cells of a particular column. Repeat this procedure for the price column. See, when we typed the article number, the product name and price both came automatically. Change the format of the price column to currency, then the value will come with $sign to show the currency sign. If you use another currency, then select the column, go to Number section, click on the small arrow. A window will open. Under the category, select the currency, then select the currency, which you need. Then press OK. Here you have the currency sign. Let's suppose in this invoice we have 4 items of this same article number. We use simple multiplication. As usual, start with an equal sign. Then multiply the price by the quantity. Now copy this formula to other cells. See here we have an error. We resolve it by using the if error formula. Then go to the cell where we put the formula. In it, after an equal sign, we type the if error, and then the multiplication procedure is our first argument. So put the comma, use the inverted commas, and close the bracket. Press Enter. See, we have the result. Now we copy this formula. No error will become because we use if error that removes the error, and if we do not put any value in any cell of the total column, it will become blank due to this formula. Now come to the last and final part of the invoice in which we sum up all the values. We need to type subtotal and tax, which is 9%, conclude it with the total. In the subtotal section, we use the sum formula. Start with an equal sign, type sum, press the tab button, click on the total price of the first article, then drag it to the end. Now close the bracket and press Enter. Here we have the sum of all. The next is tax. Start with an equal sign, multiply the total amount with the 9%. Or only multiply with 9, but do one thing for the accurate answer. Change the format number from general to percentage. Then total all values by using sum formula. On the right corner, write thank you for your shopping. And type the last line. If you have any question, please contact. After this, type the name, contact number, email, ID, and fax number if you have. We highlight the company's informational boxes and create a table structure to organize the product lists. Let's see the invoice in the print pane to check how it will look in hard copy.